Gardening has really taken off during the pandemic. It's something I'm personally trying out as well. So I wanted to look at some gardening websites and see how they're performing in recent months. And what I found was that in Q2 of this year, traffic to US gardening sites was up by 83% year over year. And we saw a peak happening specifically in May when traffic was up by 120% year over year. And this emphasizes the influx of DIY home gardening projects during COVID-19 lockdown. And when we look at the marketing mix for this time period, we notice that direct and organic search are the two largest marketing channels, bringing in 72% of total traffic to this set in Q2 of this year. And this shows us that the surge in traffic that we saw earlier was mostly organic with a minimal use of paid channels, which could potentially leave an opportunity for gardening sites that are looking to move more aggressively. It's important to note that the surge in visitation to gardening sites did not jeopardize the quality of the traffic. Conversion rates remained flat or were even slightly up across the board. When we look at converted visits, we see that Amazon is the leading retailer for the set. And this shows us that there is an increasing presence of these larger retailers like Walmart and Amazon in the gardening space. In fact, converted visits to Amazon's patio, lawn, and garden category were up by 69% in May of 2020. To finish off, let's take a look at cross shopping. Not only are shoppers showing high purchase intent, they're also more likely to explore other sites within the same category as well. And this high percentage of cross shopping puts pressure on brands to create a sense of urgency and incentivize their shoppers to move through the purchase funnel. And this will ultimately help minimize the risk of losing prospective customers to their competitors.